Wa ba da ba da ba boom. Ba da ba ba da ba da ba boom. Ba da ba ba da da boom.
And a happy new year.
Friends, I'm gonna show you Happy New Year for the new challenge, which is called Puzzle Challenge. Everybody, Happy New Year! I love you. So the new year is bringing us new challenges for us. This is our new challenge for us to play with. Let's play together and have fun.
What is it? A for
Apple. Don't make
okay, you got A for apple and B for
bacon.
okay, let's find C for
Corn.
oh, Muhammad got corn.
Let's find G. Oh no.
A B C
D.
D for
Donut.
donut. E for
Egg. B, C, D, E.
E for egg. Next, what is coming next? Oh. Is it F for food?
Yes.
Is it F? What is it?
G. Grape.
Okay, what is coming next, Muhammad?
No.
Perfect. H for honey. And Ahmad, your challenge. What is coming next?
Noodle.
H. What is coming? A, B, C, D. Muhammad already got it. I. I for ice cream.
Where's
G,
the
H, I.
I was have this one. I forgot my name.
Yeah, you forgot F too. A, B, B, C, D, E.
B, C,
Where is F?
F. Four. No, no.
You forgot F. F for four. Okay,
Juice.
Muhammad got ice cream and
Juice. I love juice.
E, F, G,
K, K,
H,
K.
I, J,
K.
K. K for
Lemon.
Ketchup.
Lemon.
L for
I hate
lemon.
I hate lemons.
M. The next is M.
And milk.
M for milk.
Milk soap.
N. Muhammad already put N there. N for noodles. What is coming next after N? M N O. Orange.
Now me. Watermelon. No.
O for orange.
Watermelon.
O. What is coming next after O? I think you are forget. What is coming next after O? L M N O
P.
P. P for
Pear.
where? Oh, okay, the pair you missed. Okay. P.
Watermelon time.
What about after P?
Q.
Q. Muhammad is correct.
Then why is it coming?
Q for
One.
Q for
Q is pizza. Which?
so Q for which? Okay. Q. What is coming next? R. Muhammad is correct. R for raspberries. Q R. Muhammad, what is coming?
S.
What is coming?
That's love.
Spatula. What is coming next, Ahmad? correct. T for
Toast.
toast. Okay. Next, Muhammad. R S T. Hmm. U for
Yum.
what are these?
Upside down cake.
Oh, they are cakes, upside down cake. Okay.
T-U-V.
U V.
Vegetable.
Yay.
T-U-V. It's supposed to go like this.
Okay.
What?
V.
W. You have it.
What is
No. W.
W? You were hiding.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Y.
W X. I think the next is X, Ahmed Khan. What happened? You forgot.
Y.
X for X for Xmas cookie.
Yeah. X. Yum yum.
Y for yum and C for zucchini.
Zucchini.
So the one pair is
Zucchini.
missing.
Why is it zucchini? You're missing. It's cucumber, not zucchini.
Zucchini. There is written on it. Is zucchini. Is it not?
No, it's not.
What
It's
is-
cucumber.
Okay, show me where is written on it. It's cucumber.
It's
See, it says zucchini. You see, one vegetable is like this. We call it zucchini. We cook it.
no, the fact we mistakenly did it like this.
Oh,
It's
the
a
fact-
cucumber.
Then why it is not coming with the C? Cucumber have another shape, a little bit different.
Zucchini.
So one pair is missing. You have to find out where it is.
I think I know where it is. I think I know. Here it goes. I found Baba, she's not wanting me to take that.
Okay, so another challenge is Ahmad will drop the ball
Do it.
and then Muhammad is gonna catch it. If Muhammad catch it in the hands, then it means he's winner. But if it goes down,
Is this?
yeah, in
Belly.
this circle,
This belly.
then you lose.
This is called belly.
Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Oh! Oh! 3. 3. Oh, okay. So now it's Ahmad's turn. Let's see if he can do this challenge. 1, 2, 3.
What was that?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So both of you, it's equal now.
No,
So both of you
That doesn't
lost.
count.
So Muhammad and Ahmad gonna show me 3
No,
stunts in with the football.
30.
Okay.
I could like almost touch the roof with the ball and then hold it back once when I was 1. But just
Okay.
did when I was 5.
Okay.
I did
So you can touch the roof and then you can catch it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, start.
Ow! Got my feet! Oh, it almost touched
Okay.
the middle of the bed.
2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, start. Oh my god, it was so. Can you do it again? Can you do it again?
Yes,
Ooh.
I did.
Start. Oh, 3 jumps it did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ahmad showed us 3 stunt and now. Okay, so Muhammad want to show us the
Knee one.
knee stunt. Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Oh, are you Ronaldo? Oops. Oh, wow. Okay, now the next stunt. Throw and clap. Oh my god, you did it. Oh. Oh wow, you did that. 2, 3, start. 2, 3, oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start. 2, 3. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumped. Okay.